Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today's in this video we will learn and write how to make sentences. So let's start. First line, this is my pen. Second line, that is your house. Third line, these are 6 mangoes. Fourth line, those were beautiful garden. Fifth line, each of the boys got a prize. Sixth line, both of the two girls are intelligent. Seventh line, none should hate the kids. Eighth line, myself, I hurt myself. Ninth line, ourselves, we hurt ourselves. Tenth line, this is a mango.